Hello and welcome. My name's Camille and I'm part of the Customer Success team here at ILX. Thank you for joining me today as we go through the process of how to redeem your official exam voucher and book your certification exam with APM. Let's get started. You should have received an email from noreply@ilxgroup.com. If you scroll down, this email will contain your unique voucher code that you can redeem on our website to book your certification exam, as well as instructions on how to do so. In order to redeem your voucher, please follow the link provided within the email or visit the web address that you are currently seeing on screen. Now that you have navigated to our website, it is time to redeem your exam voucher. Please enter the email address your exam voucher was sent to and the unique voucher code that you have been provided. Should you need to change your email address at any point, you will be able to do this further into the process. Now you have entered your voucher details, please press Redeem. Now you have pressed Redeem, you will be presented with this booking page. Should you require any reasonable adjustments during your exam due to a pre-existing health condition, you can apply for this here. Please select the I wish to apply for a reasonable adjustment option and upload your corresponding evidence for this. For example, this may be a doctor's note, which confirms you have been diagnosed with dyslexia. If you are unable to provide evidence of this when redeeming your voucher, you can still go through the process, and when we are reviewing your submission, our exam team will be in touch to confirm any outstanding documents that are required. Please note you are not approved for reasonable adjustments until APM have approved your request themselves. If you do not require any reasonable adjustments, simply tick the I do not wish to apply for a reasonable adjustment option and press Next. Now you have confirmed your reasonable adjustment requirements, you will need to review and confirm the technical requirements for your certification exam. Firewalls on company devices or email addresses can sometimes prevent you from accessing the exam, and so we recommend using a personal device and email address. If you need to amend your email address, I will show you how in the next step. Once you have thoroughly reviewed the information, please tick the box to confirm this and press Next. Now you will need to fill in your preferred exam date and time. Should you have a membership number, please do ensure to provide us this. If you do not, you can leave this box empty. You can choose your preferred date by selecting the Select Date box. You can also choose your preferred time by selecting the Select Hour box and the Select Minute box. At this stage, if you need to amend your email address attached to your voucher, this is your opportunity to do so. If you are happy with the email address currently attached to your voucher, you can simply leave the box as is and press Next. The next page you will see will be the summary of your exam booking request. Please do ensure all of the details are correct. If you do need to amend any details, you can press the previous button to do this. Please note your exam voucher does not completely redeem until you press the green Submit button on the bottom of this page. If this button is not pressed and you come out of the website, you will need to go through the process again, so please do keep this in mind. Once you are happy with the information you have provided, you can press Submit and you'll be met with this screen. Your exam booking request has now been submitted. Should our exam team require any information from you before submitting your details to APM, they will be in touch with you via the email attached to your exam voucher. Once you have submitted your exam request, you will receive a confirmation from noreply@ilxgroup.com. APM will also confirm your booking 8 calendar days before your certification exam is due to take place. Thank you for watching today's session. If you need any further support or have any questions, please get in touch. Thank you for watching today's session. If you need any further support or have any questions, please get in touch. Thank you for watching today's session. If you need any further support or have any questions, please